Right then, boys and girls, welcome back. It's Ivor Sawfingers here with the lesson for It's In Your Eyes from Phil Collins. Hopefully you saw my preview playthrough a couple of days ago. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything I did in that playthrough. So to start with, I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the 5th fret, fret 5 for the capo. That enables us to play the song with, shall we call it, open chords, if you like, and no bar chords as such, and enables us to play all the fiddly bits without having to move away too far from where we're playing. Okay, so starting off with the intro, it starts off with a couple of snare drum taps, tap tap on the old snare drum there, and we're into this chord sequence of C, A minor, E minor, and then an F. I'm playing a 4-fingered F. You could play a simple 3-fingered F if you like. I like to play it with the C in the bass, so this third finger goes up to the 3rd fret from the capo on the A string, 5th string. Pinky takes over on the 4th string, 3rd fret from the capo. Okay, 5 downwards. If you want, you could play a full bar chord if you wanted to. So that's the basic, and you play that sequence twice for the intro. Okay, so it's like and we're into the verse. Okay, now there is a little bit of a fiddly bit at the end of the 4 chords where you play the F. On the way, there's a little bit of instrumentation going on there. So what I did was the C as usual. Sometimes you'll see me play this shape of C. It's a basic C with G in the bass. So this, again, I play this way quite often, so not to confuse you, it's a C chord with G in the bass. This 3rd finger from the C, normal C chord shall we call it, goes up to the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and the pinky takes over on the 5th string, 3rd fret from the capo. Then you can play all 6 strings. Okay. Now the funny fiddly bit is this. So what I'll do there is 2 strums on the F, and then I play the open 3rd string. So the 2nd finger comes off the 3rd string, you play the 3rd string open, and then you play the 4th string on the 3rd fret. So you got do that again, okay? The whole thing. Right, and then we're into the verse. And the verse basically follows the same chord sequence, okay? It's in your eyes, the love you hide away, you can't disguise the things you feel, the things you... Right, so it's 2 lots of the same as the intro, okay? C, A minor, E minor, F. Without the fiddly bits, just a straightforward F, okay? So 2 lots of that. And you come out and then you go to a D minor 7th, which is the F chord with the open 4th string. So you take the 3rd finger away, barring the first 2 strings on the 1st fret from the capo, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, open 4th, open 5th, 5 downwards, D minor 7, okay? So you've got it's in your eyes, the love you hide away, you can't disguise the things you feel, the things... D minor 7, you say. If you just G, I'm playing it like that, you can standard G shape, okay? I just happen to play it like that, what I call a backward G. So G chord anyway, okay, open G chord. So it's say if you just call my name. Now we've got a bit of arpeggiated rundowns. Any time at all. Right, so all that bit is the C chord, a standard C chord, just play the 5th, 4th and 3rd strings. Then play the 2nd on the 5th, open 4th, open 3rd. Then you play an F chord, a simple F chord, and you play your open A string. 5, 4, 3 with an open A string. Okay, so you go any time at all. Got that? Any time at all. And there's a minute pause, and then you do a quick F and a quick G and back to C. So it's I'll be there. So it goes with the words, okay? F, R, G, B, C, there. So interesting, that little chorusy bit is, so if you say just call my name any time at all, I'll be there. 2 bars of C and you're into the 2nd verse, which plays exactly the same as the 1st verse. Okay? So, we'll go through the first 2 verses completely. Okay? So, right from the beginning, tap tap, off we go. Verse, it's in your eyes, the love you hide away, you cut the skies, the things you feel, the things you D minor 7th day, G is chord, run down, any time at all, and I'll be there. 2nd verse, why the way you're falling away from me I can't describe. It's how it feels, it's how I D minor C, G if it is chord, run down 3 times. Any time at all. Again, any time at all. Ending, I'll be there. Okay, got it? So at the end of that 2nd verse, you play that anytime at all 3 times. If see, I'd call my name anytime at all, anytime at all, anytime at all, and I'll be there. Right, 2 bars of C. Now go into the middle section, or the bridge section if you like. F. I look around at E minor. I see this. So it's basically F, E minor, F, E minor, F, E minor 3 times. Okay, so it's I look around and let's do it again. I look around, all I see is you, but you gotta tell me what you want me to. Look at me and you're all that I need. It's D minor 7th true. Then we go into an instrumental verse. Okay, so just go through that 2nd chorus going into the bridge section. Right, see if you call my name anytime at all, anytime at all, anytime at all, and I'll be there. Middle section. Look around, all I see is you, but you gotta tell me that you want me to. Look at me and you're all that I need, it's true. Right, now we're playing the instrumental. Now if you want to, it's played on another guitar, it's just playing the melody notes, straight melody notes as per the song. So, but I try to work it into the chords. Okay, so C. All I'm doing there is I'm playing C, and then I'm doing the 4th string, open 4th string, open and back to the second fret. Second fret, open, second fret, okay? And then A minor, alright? Alright, then we go to E minor, strum the E minor, then we do the fourth string again, second fret, open and back to the second fret again. So it's, okay, so we've got finally we do this. Right, we play the open second string, so it's open second string, then put the F on it, right? So then we put, after you've done the open second string, fret the F chord, simple F chord, play the second fret of the third string, so it's so you play the F chord if you like, just the first, fourth, third and second strings. Okay, open third, third on the fourth. Okay, so it's so that's that. Open third, sorry, open second, F chord, open third, third on the fourth, and then do the C again, repeat, so you do two lots of that. Okay, so it's go into I'm here just call my name. So that's that D minor seventh after the second part of the verse. D minor seventh, I'm here just G, call my name. And then we got the rundown, normal rundown again, anytime at all. Time at all, I'll be there. And then we're going into the middle bit again, okay? So right from the first middle bit, okay, so I look around and all I see is you, but you gotta tell me that you want me to. Look at me and you're all I need, it's true. Instrumental. Here we go. Just call my name anytime at all, I'll be there. Now we do the middle bit again. Look around, all I see is you, but you gotta tell me that you want me to. Look at me, you're all that I need, it's true. Stay on the D minor 7. Final verse, same as usual, right? I can't disguise the love I wait for you to share. I can't deny. If you reach out and touch my hand, it's D minor 7, just G chord, run down. Anytime at all, again, anytime at all, again, anytime at all, ending. And that's it, okay? So basically the sequence is intro, verse, chorusy bit on the end of that, the anytime at all. The second verse, then we do another chorus at anytime at all. Then we go into the middle section. Then we do the instrumental, which ends up with the I'm here, you call my name anytime at all, I'll be there. So the chorus, if you like. Then we do the middle bit again, okay? repeat the middle bit and come out of it into the D minor 7. Look at me, you're all I need, it's true. Stay there. Then we go into the final verse, which is as usual, can't disguise. Okay, and then we do the chorus at the end, and we repeat the anytime at all 3 times. Okay, so we'll go from the first instrumental, if you like. Okay, so. Call my name anytime at all. I'll be there. Middle bit again. Look around, all I see is you. You gotta tell me that you want me to. Look at me, you all I need, it's true. Sorry about that. Last verse. I can't disguise I wait for you to share. I can't deny. If you reach out and touch my hand, it's there. Oh, just call my name anytime I talk 3 times. Anytime I talk again. Anytime last time I'll be there. And that's it, boys and girls. Hope I didn't confuse you too much. It's quite unusual having the middle bit twice, sort of almost together, not quite, with the chorus in between. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening for that. Nice number. Hopefully you'll enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.